the journey of a lifetime.
Oh. Kayla and Cash. Is it recording? Cash, Kayla, is it recording?
Oh, it is? Okay.
It's going. Oh no, you guys will be behind us. I won't be able to record you. Hey, wait. Will you guys switch? Oh, wait. Never mind.
You know that it's going to
Or we switch so that we can record your mom.
It's going to be spinning around.
You'll always be at our back. Have you rode this before? Have you rode this before? No?
Welcome, travelers. You have chosen to participate in an exciting time travel experiment. Please step into the seats in front of you and ensure all loose articles are stowed away or placed in the cubbies. During your adventure, please keep your head back and hold on to the restraint handles. Now, prepare for the journey of a lifetime.
All right, here we go. Huh? This? Or let me do this. Sorry, I'm trying to get it.